The role in flow yoga philosophy. We move with intention. We build strength safely. We honor our nervous system and emotional body. We celebrate every little victory. In every class, we blend grounding breath with mindfulness, strength building without punishment, playful rolling movements that feel good, and community support with compassion. This is about rebuilding trust with your body, finding confidence again, feeling steady, powerful, supported, and alive. When you're ready, you can go to the next section.